In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the vidIQ extension to YouTube using Google Chrome. This process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes. To begin, ensure that you're using Google Chrome as your browser since the vidIQ extension is optimized for Chrome. First, let's open up Google Chrome on your computer. If it's not your default browser, you can easily find it in your Applications folder or by using your system's search function. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to the Chrome Web Store by entering chromewebstoregoogle.com into the address bar at the top of the window. This is the go-to place for all sorts of browser extensions, including vidIQ, which will soon become an invaluable tool for those of you looking to boost your YouTube game. In the Chrome Web Store, locate the search bar, type in vidIQ, and hit enter. You'll see a list of results, but we're specifically looking for the vidIQ extension aimed at enhancing your YouTube experience. It's designed to provide analytics and insights right from your browser. When you find it, click on it. Now, on the vidIQ page, you'll notice a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on this button. This action prompts a pop-up asking for confirmation to add the extension. It will also outline the permissions this extension requires. It's crucial to review these permissions so you understand what data the extension will be accessing and why. If everything looks good to you, click on Add Extension in the pop-up. Chrome will start to download the extension, and within moments you'll see an icon for vidIQ appear next to your address bar. This icon indicates that vidIQ is installed and ready for use. Next, we need to tie this vidIQ tool to your YouTube account. Open a new tab and go to YouTube. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to log into your account now. Signing into YouTube is crucial because vidIQ works by providing insights directly into your YouTube dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll notice that the vidIQ extension will prompt you with a login screen at some point. Enter your vidIQ credentials here or sign up for an account if you haven't already. And there you have it. The vidIQ extension is now set up and ready to enhance your YouTube analytics and strategy. You should now see detailed analytics within your YouTube interface, providing you with insights to optimize your channel and content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy YouTubing!